Hello everyone, welcome to All Tech Queries. So today we will see how to backup Chrome bookmarks by using two methods. So usually when you are formatting the PC, resetting the PC or reinstalling the Chrome browser, you need to backup the bookmarks because we save all our important links in the form of bookmarks. And I know most of us are using Chrome browser, so I'm making this tutorial on Chrome browser. So let me show you two methods by which you can backup the Chrome bookmarks and restore it after you reinstall the app. So the first method is finding Chrome Bookmarks location. Now I will show you where the Chrome bookmarks are stored by default. So first go to this PC and go to C drive. Now go to users and choose the current user. Now here we need a folder that is currently hidden, so the folder we are looking for is hidden here. So what you have to do is go to this view option and select this option, hidden items. So it will show you the hidden items, and I will share a link to the video that will help you unhide these folders, unhide all the hidden folders. So right now it is showing here, so we need to go inside this folder, go to this local and Google Chrome user data and default. Now if you scroll down, you can see the bookmarks file here. So all you need to do is copy this and paste somewhere else. So sometimes what happens is you will see two files like this, bookmarks.bak, the backup file. So you can copy both files if there are two files. If there is one file, you can copy one file, copy this and paste in any of the other drives. So don't paste in these drives, because when you format C drive, all the data in desktop, documents, downloads, pictures, videos, all will be wiped out. So I recommend you to backup in other drives, or it is safe to backup in a pen drive or external hard disk, right? So all you need to do is copy this, paste somewhere else, and when you reinstall the Chrome app, just simply copy and paste it here again. All your bookmarks will be restored. So this is one method. The other method is through Google Chrome application. Now open the Chrome application, click on this triple dot icon, hover over the bookmarks option. Now choose this option, bookmark manager. Okay, here all your bookmarks will be stored here, and again click on this organized triple dot icon, click on export bookmarks. You can see here this is today's date, and Chrome will export all the bookmarks in the form of HTML document. Now again I would like to say the same thing, don't save your bookmark backup here in these folders, save in other drives or pen drive. So once you save it, I have already saved it, right? Now after resetting your PC or reinstalling the Chrome browser, again go to this page, click on this organized triple dot icon. Now click on import backups. Now if you choose this file and click on open, all your backups will be imported again. So by using these two methods, we can backup and restore your Chrome bookmarks and don't have to worry about losing your data. So that's all for today. If you think this video was helpful, then like our video and please subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you for watching.